ZANU-PF is in 2027 holding elections for a candidate who would be a successor to President Mnangagwa, automatically shifting power towards Vice President Constantino Chiwenga. Zambana mashoko anobuda inogona kukumana vimzimu ai zvichida mutungamiri wenyika oresigna vatova kuti political yese inokurana kuti muna 2027 zine mutungamiri wenyika akati ada kuzorora kucha appointwa another new leader anofanira kuvhoterwa for. Zambana mashoko amidanyogwa pana vanhu vasubscribe or like out on the bell icon. Sources within the party confirm that Mnangagwa will conclude his leadership in 2028 as Chiwenga ally successfully blowed the ED 2030 slogan that symbolized support for an extended Mnangagwa rule. The move to squash the ED 2030 slogan unfolded during a heated Harare Provincial Coordinating Committee meeting on Sunday, where Chiwenga's allies aggressively challenged the party's stance on Mnangagwa's long-term vision. Chiwenga supporters questioned Harare ZANU-PF chairperson Kudus Masemirembo and the party National Commissar Mnyaradzi Machacha on why the slogan was still in circulation despite Mnangagwa's October statement that he would not seek the re-election. This firm stance signaled a significant win for Chiwenga's camp, which he has been working to assert its influence and pave the way for new leadership in 2027. This shocking question yakabvunziwa aiwa makomana vana Mnyaradzi Machacha National Commissar aiwa yakava a blow kwavari inoda kuti vakashaya kuti what is that question vachiendepi, but just to accept kuti aiwa vakomana vachikuita the ED 2030 mantra vari kukanganisa, vari kuviolate the will yemutungamiri wenyika and also the constitution. Tidze mafungiro ematunde pamusoro chitwa ichi kuna comment section medu, so subscribe or like, turn on the bell.